everyone, Marcelina here at cashewgreens.com. Thank you for watching this video. And on today's episode, I'm going to share with you how I grow plants using milk crates. As you can see here on this video, I grow this rose in this container. And I'm going to show you how to create your own planter using milk crates. But before we continue this video, I'm going to share with you my advanced gardening book called Backyard Gardening, No Space Left Behind. This book is designed for those who have limited space like myself. I have only 1/16 of an acre, so I maximize my growing using the different alternative gardening. So there are a lot of gardening techniques here in this book, and if you need a copy of this book, I put the link below, so just click that link. So let's go ahead and create our own planter. So let's create our crates container. So we need the scissor, and then the 4 clamps, and the weed guard, and the crates. Now let's get started. So you roll your weed guard all the way down, and then you cut with the scissor. Now you fold the weed guard into half. So I already have here, that's already made. And then you put your crate on the top. Fold the weed guard and make sure it is tight. And then use your clamp to clamp the weed guard. On the other side, you do the same thing. And then fold over, tuck in too tight, and use your clamp. So in the other piece, so you put in the other side, and then fold over. Tuck in too tight, use the clamp, and then do the same thing in the other side. You don't have to be neat because this weed guard only help to hold the soil. So do the same thing. So again, you have to clamp with the clamp. So this is how you make your crates, and it's easy. So this is it. So I already put this soil here. So this is the super soil that I made on my in my video, how to make your own super soil. So this would boost the plants, and I'm going to show you the plants that I use the super soil. So take a look. This is the rose I grow in a milk crate container, and the advantage of using crates is that it is breathable, and the root system of the plant doesn't go into root bound. Basically, it is self-prone, and the use of weed guard is to hold the soil inside. As you can see, the plant is happy in this container. So this is the video for today, and I hope you like the video. Please subscribe below and share with all your friends who enjoy gardening. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.